Well, hello, hello, hello. I am here with a package from FedEx. I didn't know FedEx delivered on Sundays. Wow, I learned something new today. But yay! And I looked at this box. I'm like, what is it? And I look at the tiny label and it says Atlanta Warehouse. Atlanta Warehouse. I'm actually going to assume that this is an HSN order. This is because I'm assuming. But who knows? Oh, no, no, no. Atlanta, I take it back. Joke might be on me. This may be Anna Griffin because I have an Anna Griffin order that's been waiting for like 2 weeks to come. But let's find out. Let's open the mystery box from Atlanta and find out what it is. Yay! Let's do this and hopefully not slice my fingers off because I'm holding these scissors totally in the wrong way. So let's see what's in the box. It is. Second guess was right. It is Anna Griffin. Holy mackerel. Oh, we appreciate your purchase. Yay. A piece of paper just for good measure, just to pack it. But, yes. Okay, so let's move the big box. Fly, my pretty fly. Did you guys hear that? It was a crash landing. But yes, I ordered some paper from her just because I wanted to, because it was pretty and I thought I could use it as great for card backgrounds and whatnot. So let's see, because now I can't remember what I ordered. It's not like notorious for me. But I ordered this. And so we have this. Let's see what we got. So I got 4. Yeah, they come in packages of 5. Now I remember. So there should be 5 sheets of this, which will make really pretty. I was thinking when I bought it for Valentine's, how come there's only 4? I'm gonna complain. There it is. Okay, see, now I can't complain. Darn. But I thought this would be really cute for Valentine's at this point, probably for next year. But it would also be great for Mother's Day. Think about it, or even Easter, quite frankly. But it's really pretty, and it's just as pretty in person as it is it was on the website. And these were, I think, my 75 cents a sheet paper. I won't on principle pay more than that, although her paper, it's well worth it. At the end of the day, it is worth it because she does beautiful paper, and it is one-sided, which is good. Which, I know what I'm going to use it for, but it'll be cut down to matte for cards. And then look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This one, I knew it was going to be a mixed can of worms as to how I'm going to use it, but use it I will. I mean, these two easily can be, I have to cut them wonky if I'm going to make them the focus. This one's the easiest one to use. But, use it, I will. I mean, I can sit here and use different cut, not necessarily the most advantageous or saving paper or being miserly cheap. Name your word, but I'm going to still use this paper because it just spoke to me. I kept coming back to me, like, you know what, I'm going to buy it in the heck with it. And I'll figure it out when I use it. So that's the paper I went ahead and ventured and bought. And I'll probably slide this back in the envelope off camera. You guys don't need to sit here and twiddle your thumbs waiting for me to do that. And then let's get this. This was some stamps, more stamps that I was waiting for because I like getting her stamps so then I can use, and emboss them or literally probably stamp them and then photo. I'm sitting here thinking copying them and then printing them on my laser printer, and then I could, what's the word I'm looking for? Foil them. There we go. Hello, because I have a mink. So I have evil plans. We'll just see, how well that works. So, that might be just a wing it Wednesday. What do you guys think? Goodness gracious. Okay, I love it how they wrap it all nice and pretty in tissue paper. So it gets here in one piece. Yay! But yep, inspirational expressions, inspirational stickers, stamps, and card inserts. So it's the whole shebang. So let's get it out of its handy dandy envelope. Okay. Let's open this up. And in the spirit of full disclosure, this is Sunday, not morning anymore. It is 12:30 in the afternoon. Yes, I'm still in my pajamas. I've been addressing mail and getting some stuff out, kits that for a class I'm teaching next week. And the stencils, ladies, if you're watching, your stencils are going to hit the mail tomorrow, okay? But that's what I've been doing. Anyway, so yes, I'm being lazy on a Sunday morning. I'm allowed. Okay, so here are the stickers. Aren't they pretty? Oh my goodness, they're prettier even than they look like on the website. I'm really, really happy. Look at that. Live, love, laugh. I know some people might think it's been overdone. I don't think so. I love it. I still think it's so appropriate. I love that. Pray more, worry less. Absolutely, absolutely believe in miracles. See, these are all like inspirational, and I wanted these. Wish, hope, dream, rejoice. I love these. Yes, I am so in love. Oh my God, now I don't want to use them. I'll just sit here and pet them and look at them lovingly. I'm such a nut. Okay, but here are the stamps, which are just as nice. You are loved. Enjoy the little things. God is everywhere. So true. God bless you. So great. And who's calling me, and why didn't I turn the phone off? Okay, that will have to wait. Sorry, guys. And I know now I got derailed. I love that. Pray, trust, wait, repeat. Yes. This is everything I wanted and more. We have sometimes, if you're a person of faith, you have a hard time finding good stamps. And this completes, my collection. I am so glad I got these. And here are more of them. Love this. Life is fragile. Handle with prayer. Faith is not hoping God can. It's knowing He will. I love these. I'm very, wow. I'm really happy. I love most of all, let love guide your life. I'm always saying that. I say that a lot and put in my, some of my personal Facebook posts and what look like that. If we all took a little bit of time to love more, I think this world would be a better place, just in general. Oh, I love it. Live with no excuses and love with no regrets. Yes. I so love these. So yes, I am really, really, really happy and excited. And then these are the card inserts. So I'll pull one out. So they all have their own sentiments. So someone remembers, someone cares. Your name is whispered in someone's prayers. So these are great. These are all going to be inspirational. Let me see if I roll them this way. I should probably be able to pull them out. I find it interesting how they wrap these up, because they put like that piece of paper in the middle, which makes it all the harder to pull them out. There we go. I got to get to that level where that one is. So let's just go through these at the very least. So just different stamps. So, okay, so they are repeated. So let's see how many we get. So there we go. May God hold you in the palm of His hand. So I just love these. These are exactly what I was hoping there would be and more. So just great. All of these are all inspirational, faith-based sentiments that we all need. I am so excited to have these. I want to share these and just take the sentiment out of them. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out when I'm yammering, so that then I can just put it back on and be able to pull them out easier. But yes, we all, I'm a person of faith, so I wanted to have cards that I can send out inspirationally. So I am glad to have these. I am very, very jazzed. I love them. May love surround you. May faith sustain you. May hope encourage you. I love it. So guys, that's pretty much it. This is not a very big haul. This is a short video, but I will come back, because God only knows I have so much Anna Griffin stuff that I need to use up, that I can use any one of my kits. Maybe I combine this with like the China cabinet staring at me waiting for, what are you waiting for, Myra, to make something? So I have far too much in Anna Griffin kits. So I need to stop hoarding and start using. But I wanted to share with you guys my quickie little mini haul. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you like what I say, go ahead, or even if you don't like what I say, but anyway, go ahead and at least give me a thumbs up if you wish. Leave me a comment. I try to stay on top of them. I'm always much more well-intentioned than I am practical, but I do read them. And of course, if you want to follow my madness, by all means, subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I'm back on. And I will see you at the next video, guys. Have a great day. Enjoy your Sunday with your family. Go out, be creative. And don't forget, we're all a little mad here, so scrap the madness, okay? So I'll talk to you later. Bye.